Good morning, fellow traders. Welcome again to Forex Trade Africa with your host Dennis. We'll be looking at another pair for this week, the Nzdjpy. It's the New Zealand dollar against the yen. So clearly you can see the market making a triple bottom. When you look at the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart. We are going to look at the monthly chart. Clearly, the market has been making higher highs and higher lows. On the weekly, let's go back to the weekly. We can see that there is some sort of consolidation here. The market hasn't really broken this level yet. Some form of resistance. But we are looking for it to continue to rally beyond this point and enter at the retest of the break of this level. So let us go deep into our analysis. We are going to draw the demand area or the demand zone. That's the first thing. Remember to draw the demand zone. Usually it's at this area. This was our demand zone where it came, retested the area like 1, 2, 3 times, and clearly it's trying to make also some sort of a double bottom at this area. At these two areas, clearly signaling that the market is in an uptrend. You can clearly see that on the monthly chart, as it has been rallying for so long. You can see it, the current price, it's at a point of interest. Look at this area over here. You can clearly see that it's trying to break this area, but it has been consolidating. So it's a point of interest. But we will zoom in. If we zoom in to the weekly chart, it has clearly been consolidating since 1st of January to this week. So clearly it has been consolidating for a while. So what we are going to do, as always, we are going to mark those zones at the 80.94. Let's say the 81 area. That's the area that the market has been making the demand zone. So we are going to mark our neckline at that area. The market will go, and probably there is a high probability that it's going to move through this distance from this level to this level. But currently we have to, as always, measure the distance. Going to measure this distance from 81 to 88 level and mark the half. Our half has not yet been breached, so clearly we are waiting for the market to breach this half and make a retest. Probably breach this half, then make a retest at the 84,500 level, and then we'll enter. So clearly that's what we should be looking for. Let us look at our profit target, our first profit target. The first guaranteed half of that distance that we are looking for the market to cover will be at the 86 level. At the 86, 86.4 level. That should be your first take profit. Should give you about 180 to 190 pips. If you are looking again to test this area, your second take profit should give you about 356 pips to 350 pips. So you can see the confluence on our first TP. It has been a level that has been tested so many times, and clearly, as I show you guys, this area will be tested again. It has been tested over there once. It has been tested again like 2 times in this area, a few times, for 3 weeks in this area, for 2 weeks in that area. And again, the price has always tested this area again. During another 1 week, and also almost tested this area. So your take profit should be around 86 level, 86 400 level, which is the half that we are talking about. Can be this area also, because I can see that it's been tested again. Over there. So you can zoom in and see it's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and also been tested again over this area. Sorry. Over a few weeks, like over the next 1, 2, 3, over 10 weeks, like, that's 2 months, 2.5 months been testing this area. So that's our confluence for our first take profit at around 86 400 level. Our second take profit should be about 88 110 or 88 level. So be patient, look for a retest of this 84 500 level, and that should be your entry long. If we go to the monthly chart, clearly we've been seeing higher highs. Clearly the market made a double bottom. We've been seeing higher highs over this area, signaling that, higher lows over this area, signaling that the market is on an uptrend. To see the higher highs. First higher high, second higher high, over that area, our low, our higher low, our higher high. So when you zoom into the weekly candle, clearly the market has been up down, making higher lows and clearly higher highs. This is a consolidation, so you should be very patient for a retest over this area. So that's basically it for our weekly analysis for this pair, the Nzdjpy. So wish you all the best. Keep commenting, keep on subscribing to our channel at Forex Trade Africa. If the trade goes well, can't wait to see your comments on how much you made, how the trade ended, even what techniques you use, what concepts, what techniques you use, what strategies you use in your trading. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for more analysis, more technical analysis on different pairs each and every week. From now, I wish you a lovely afternoon. Keep safe and happy trading.